what we're trying to do now is put down the foundation and the support for the front porch floor. And whereas earlier when we were putting down the plates for the cabin, we ran the plates on the pillars this way. And of course that makes the joists going this way and your floorboards inside cover this way. And I don't really know, to tell you the truth, why, but the old gentleman that taught me about this told me turn the plates this way and then run your floor joist logs parallel with the front of the cabin. It may be so that you can run the floorboards of the porch, one single board, all the way out from the front of the cabin to the end of the porch. Got an 8-foot plate log here, and I've ordered 10-foot long oak lumber. That way you don't have a break in the flooring. It's just a solid run every board. And that's the only reason I can figure they'd wanted to do it that way. I guess that's about all I can think of. We're going to try to give a little explanation of the way we've prepared this foundation and framework for the porch. We would like to have stepped down out of the cabin a couple of steps onto the porch. But because of the way the land lays, and they've got a huge stump right here, we couldn't bring the sleepers and the plate and the sleepers down far enough without getting them down where that they would rot or the termites get in. So then we were faced with the problem of trying to get this framework of irregularly shaped logs at the proper level so that we could bring this porch floor in and make it match the cabin floor. So it was, as the fellow said, sort of tedious, but we've managed to do that by notching both the floor joist logs, or the sleepers, I think the old people call them, and the plate just a ½ inch, but that still gives us about a 5-inch flat place from the set and match up. And so by doing that, and the logs being about the same size, we're able to get the porch floor level, running right in, matching with the floor of the cabin. And when we come to a place where there's a small swag, irregularity of some kind in any of these joists, we can shim up with a little piece like this piece of shingle here, or if we've got a hump, we'll just shave it off a little bit and keep our floor running quite level. So those are the pointers that I would have for anybody that was attempting this sometime. And with this, when your material is not cut to size, you just sort of have to give and take until you get it like you want it to be. And that's one reason it takes so much time.